Volvo's SD25 is a unique customer offer unavailable from any other manufacturer on the market. It offers outstanding maneuverability, traction and gradeability. It's this versatility that makes the SD25 the right choice for various job site applications, such as small roads, commercial, residential job applications, utility, sideway developments and landscaping. The key to success on any site is having the right tools to do the right job, and this is where the SD25 really excels against the competition. Soil applications differ from asphalt because they require a higher amplitude and lower frequency, and this simply cannot be achieved with the far too commonly used double drum compactors, which are wrongly used in soil applications. Designed for earthworks application, currently many of our customers will be using a small tandem roller, such as the DD25, walk-behind vibratory plates or trench compactors. The SD25 is one of a kind and perfect for numerous smaller soil applications. The SD25 has an amplitude of 1.5 millimeters in comparison to 0.5 millimeters usually found on tandem rollers, which generates 50% more centrifugal force. This means that the SD25 is capable of compacting layers of 20 centimeters thickness, thus achieving targeting compaction at significantly fewer passes. Thanks to its lock tires and twin lock traction control system, the SD25 can work almost anywhere. Perfect for embankments, climbing in and out of trenches, small landscaping projects and pipework backfill. The SD25 has a great low center of gravity, and combined with a traction control system, it gives the operator the confidence to go where a double drum roller would not even contemplate on working. The machine is also equipped with a ROPS frame, seat belt and ergonomic operator's console. For added versatility, a two-piece clamp-on padfoot shell kit easily and quickly converts the smooth drum into a padfoot drum without changing the hydraulic system. Drum conversion is completed by bolting together the two half shells and replacing the scraper bar. This machine can be equipped with the optional two-way or four-way leveling or dosing blade. It can be used for either keeping the thickness of layers consistent or simply to push backfill material into the trench. Now, customers tell us that once you've used the SD25, its flexibility and performance will make it a must-have machine on any of your small job site applications. Contact your local Volvo dealer now to find out more.